Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we have some topic that are very important, and in career making field I want to give you some advice regarding what we will do after 12th, because what we feel that so many students they got confused of what they will do after 12th or after graduation. So there are some professional course that play a very important role in your life, and if you have interest then you should go in that side, because sometimes what's happened that, and it is commonly seen that so many students just to follow others they did the same course and they got fail in life in that field. So what I want to say that it is very hard to observe someone and then give judgment that he is fail or success in his life, because everyone has his own life and everyone have own problem and they solve in that problem, and he know better that how can he enhance or improve in his career. So some career they make that make a person more more skilled. So it is one of the courses mass communication. Here mass communication is this course is in demand, high in demand. So here we do mass communication in different fields, and this is the art. Means if you want to communicate with someone, so you should, it is a practical applied behavior of human being. Every person, every society do communication. We also communicate with society, society also communicate with us. There are so many mediums, TV, radios, internet, social medias. So mass communication limitation is beyond. So what I want to say that if you choose this career, so there is no certain job in this career, but you can make your own career. You can reachable to everyone, because whatever you say, whatever is in your mind, if you communicate to other, then you pass your things to someone. That is the very important. So communication means what? Sending your message through some medium, and mass. So this course is in huge in demand, and especially if you want to go abroad, so you can feel that a journalist can easily get visa, passport, everything in a very easy way, and he make his career. If you want to go for Canada, USA, Australia, everything becomes easy to you. First thing is that you can go there as a reporter, and if you go in a Germany, Australia, they give you respect, more respect, and your visa will be in a special, not a ordinary. So that will be a good experience of life, and you can earn there. Here you travel, you meet with people, you get experience, get together and socializing with people, and then earn money. Here everything is included in one package. You do traveling, you have work, you need art of speaking, communicating with others, and you should be aware with latest technology, and when we meet people, then we become more and more aware. So here, who want to be a journalist? So journalists are many types. Someone sitting at home and through the social media, they use social media like YouTube and Facebook. The next is that some, they are employed, means they do job like in a TV channels. You can even start your own podcast, community radio for special community. So here there are so many medium, radio jockey like that. So this is the one of the course that are high in demand, and there are so many universities. Top university, you can do from any metro city, you can do this course, and you can do acting like course that support you if you know about acting. So mass communication is the process of exchange of information through the media. So mass communication, these are the famous university. IMCC, you can do mass communication. IMCC, Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Jamia Millia Islamia, Guru Gobind Singh, Lady Sri Ram, Indraprasth, Delhi College. Vivekananda Institute. So these are the institute, and the fee structure, it's depend on college, depend on course, but it is around 50,000 and up is unlimited. Unlimited means around 2 lakh. So it is one of the best course now this time. Next is, if you are good in English or in a foreign language, if you know French, German, Spanish, then your range will increase and you can do a better work in this field. If you suppose you think you are Indian and your every news, a single news, if you translate all those news in a French, in a Spanish, you are reachable, your channel is reachable to those area, in those country, you will be known to those country. So it is the one of the best way to utilize your language at sitting your home. So it is a multitasking work. If you go somewhere, you can make a video and upload to your channel, cooking like that. The next is that, so the person who are a multi-talented person, you can that multitasking person, that should accept this course. And if you are fit in this section, then you can do better. You can make your own channel on YouTube like that. What? Or along with, you can become a success. So here I am not going to define about what is success or failure. This is not. I am saying that you can best utilize. Yeah, here so many YouTubers. They are famous. They are personality. So this course, and in a Bihar, especially in Bihar, UP, Delhi, mostly all university, central university run this course. You can do this course if you want to be professional. If you want to do anything professional, you need some training, because after some limitation you have to behave like a professional, and for that you need this. So here this course is not limited just regarding this anchoring, acting, making YouTube, but along with that, here what medium you use to communicate. And communication totally depend on satellite. So you know latest technology of satellite like that. Okay, you should have idea about sound waves, everything, radio, different type of internet. So this course is not limited, and if you do any course, then there is no limitation of that. You can go as much as in that depth. So here is my purpose is that if anyone want to improve his personality or want to do something in better as a social work, along with that want to get some earning, they can start this. And I know so many students, this is my own experience, that I have so many people I know, they are monetized, their channel are monetized, and within 6 months they start earning 10,000, 50,000 for whole life. Because once your income will be fixed, then you getting that part of money. But here what you have to do, you should be very creative person. Okay, and if you, so that's why everyone is attracted to this side. And now you can understand valuation of this, because now today every person, they pass their 2 hours, 1 hour at least on mobile, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So this course is highly in demand, and it is available for everyone. You need just a right path and right track with right people. So why I said, if you can start this course in a rural areas, urban areas, for corporate, for hotels. We are not going to categorize, just this is for those students who want to make their career in mass communication. This section for mass communication student. Thank you all of you. If you want, after that you can search your own way. Okay, thank you.